Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can make money from Medium in 2025, even if you are just starting or if you have zero followers. So make sure that you stick around till the end for a bonus tip to boost your earnings faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on medium.com and sign up here using your Google account, your email or your Apple ID. Once you have successfully done that, you need to first of all set up your profile picture, add bio and the links, and this actually helps you look professional here on Medium. So in order to set it up, simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then click on profile again. Over here, click on the edit profile option, then enter your name, your bio, and you can also upload your picture. Then click on the save option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, in the second step, you need to join the Medium Partner Program. So to earn money, you must join the Medium Partner Program. And in order to do that, you need to come in the settings of your Medium account. Over here, you need to just scroll down and click on the option of Partner Program. Over here, click on the apply now option, select your country, then fill out some of the details and apply for the Medium Partner Program, and it is going to cost you basically around $5 every single month. Now once you have done that, you need to start writing your story. For that, click on the right option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and with the help of this section, you can basically create the articles on the topics that you know, like productivity, health, money or technology. Once you have written it successfully, click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen, followed by adding relevant tags. Now, Medium actually pays you based on the reading time from the paid members and not the views. So you need to focus on writing engaging posts that keep readers scrolling, and also use a hook at the beginning and include the personal stories or value. You can also share your Medium posts on Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook groups, and the more Medium members read your post, the more you are going to earn. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.